Hello guys, today we will be recording a new series which is on Python, and so this is basically um, basic Python series. So what we can do is that we will be learning how to install Python on this first video. So for that we will be going to the python.org and downloads. Here we can see that there is on this website we can download and install manager, and it is for all the operating systems like Linux, Unix, Mac OS, Android, others, and also they have Docker images already for the Python. So we can go there, we can see all the releases, and based on that, we can basically download Python and use it. And here we have all the versions, the date which has been released. So this is how we can, uh, I mean, install Python. We have to click here. It will. I have already installed, so I won't be showing. So I won't be doing it again, but what we can do is that we can click here and it will be downloaded. And after being downloaded, just keep one thing in mind that we have to add that into path also. So in the bottom, in the right hand side or in the center, you will see a checkbox which will be asking that do we need to add this particular Python installation to the path. So please tick mark that so that it's in the already added to the path. So this is the way we will be installing Python and learning it from the basic and going from basic to advanced also. So thanks a lot. Please like, share, subscribe this video. Thanks.